In today's video, I'm going to show you how you don't need a $4,000 RTX 5090 to participate in AI compute and earn some crypto on the side with your daily driver cell phone. All right, so before we go ahead and walk through how to do this and learn a little bit more about Acurast, let's step out back. I'm going to take a walk out here to my home crypto mining shed before it starts to downpour here. This shed here that looks like something out of Back to the Future with all the antennas, and that's a broken solar panel there. Yeah, I do have solar on my roof, but if you haven't seen, this is my home crypto mining shed. We have a bunch of intake vents on this entire wall here, and on the other side we actually have exhaust vents. We used to run a lot of GPU miners and full-size ASICs in here, and now we really use it for home mining and some AI work as well. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Excuse my mess. This thing absolutely needs some love. We got some sound dampening tiles in here, massive exhaust vents. We're only actually running one. The intake filters absolutely need some love on this side, and you're not allowed to look at the network, all right? It's an absolute mess over here. Don't look, don't look. But we got a bunch of home solo Bitcoin miners in here. Server, VM, QNAP NAS unit, some more solo Bitcoin miners in here as well. Just kind of do a little pass through across all these goodies. You gotta love the RGB there. Down below here, we have an AI rig running 5090s in here. And up top, here's what we're chatting about today. So across the top here, we have 20, 40, 60 cell phones that are all on Acurast. They're actually here, nice and quiet, sitting here, my hard at work employees, and they're actually being served up to the Acurast network for AI compute. These individual phones actually have a Snapdragon processor in them, and while one of them is pretty powerful, several of them absolutely kind of combined together in this massive AI compute network can actually do some pretty big workloads. They actually now support full containerization, which is absolutely awesome. And you can see this one's pretty beat up on the outside. That doesn't matter, right? We just need the compute power that is inside the cell phone. So you're gonna notice, I just got a bunch of these actually more recently, used of course, but you're gonna notice some of these are in pretty rough shape. Some of the screens are pretty beat up, but that's totally okay, as long as it powers on and does the job. Now, this setup here is actually pretty slick. You can slot in all your phones there. My employees, I'm gonna swing around the back side here, and then you can see, look, it's just power USB into USB-C on the back side here. And you can also see on this unit right over here. Now, the last unit is my first one that I got into, was CellHasher. I'm not gonna recommend this one. It's much more difficult. It slots in much differently with USB. You have to pull the battery out. This is not as home miner newbie friendly. These absolutely are. I plan to get more of these guys here by CellHasher. These are kind of their USB kind of dock station setups, and these are awesome. So easy to work with, so easy to use. But as of right now, I have 60 workers, 60 employees that are hard at work for me every single day. They're getting used and rented out for AI compute jobs, and I'm getting paid out in the token called Acurast. All right, so before we go ahead and onboard our cell phone, because to be honest with you, it's like a 3-minute process. It's really, really simple. I thought it would be important to talk a little bit about what in the heck is Acurast. You know, do your homework first. And so very much so, Acurast is a global decentralized compute network. It's compute and horsepower readily available for developers to go ahead and utilize as they see needed. And it's actually really expanded over the last several years. Just went to mainnet not too long ago, actually, and has worked out nicely. Now, you might be like, why cell phones, right? Why are we going with cell phones versus what we've seen with like the RTX 5090s that we talked about earlier? Well, think about it. How many of us have a cell phone worldwide, globally? How many people have old cell phones that they don't know what to do with? like that broken screens? Do you throw them away? Do you recycle them? Or do you put them to work on Acurast? And that's why this is untapped horsepower, untapped compute, just readily available, to be honest with you. Now, there's two ways that you can do this. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to do the Acurast Lite process. I've created plenty of videos on Acurast Core. Core takes over like an old broken phone that still works in some functionality, like what you saw out in the shed. Acurast Lite is what you install on like a daily driver, so that you can earn some on the side. So we're going to go through that today. Now, if you want to, and you're following along, set up your Acurast account first before you move forward. I have a link directly down below where to get started with Acurast, even a little code as well. Gives a little bit back to the channel, so thank you. Go set that up first, to be honest with you, before we move forward. That's going to be super, super important. So jumping on here, I actually just went ahead and deployed out an update to a lot of my phones here. So they're still coming online right now. You can see we have 53 active, 9 inactive that I have to go ahead and chase down. I have roughly about 62 total. And you can see right in the middle, the purple ones are actually working. They actually have a deployment. They actively have a job. The green ones are readily available. Yellow ones here are inactive for just a short term, and the red ones are offline. So I need to get this cleaned up quite a bit, but you can see all of my devices directly down below. You can see the purple ones that are running a deployment right now, and I have it says I have about 62. I've done a few installs, a few duplicates for today's video, so there are quite a few here. But you can manage everything you need to directly from your Acurast Hub, which makes this very simple and very easy as we kind of move along. Now, let's actually jump back here and look at balances. So right now I'm at about 484 ACU token. That's the Acurast token. It's actually live on exchanges. You can look it up on CoinGecko or on CoinMarketCap currently right now. I was taking a look with all my devices. I'm averaging about 6.5 ACU tokens. I actually came over here to the Explorer on the left-hand side, put in my address and came down, and I'm averaging about 6.5 of these tokens per day. Nice thing is, I don't have to do anything for it. It's just naturally earns and naturally starts to accumulate. Now, we did just go to mainnet more recently, so it's going to take me some time to go ahead and build up a bunch of more of these tokens here. But the nice thing is, it just works. It just accumulates. It just does the job. My goal is to accumulate and hold on to my ACU token until Acurast pumps, and then sell off probably about 50 of it, to be honest with you, and take profits. Now, if you're interested in what exactly you saw out there in my shed, this is running on the Cell Hasher platform. Actually come over here. I'll put a link directly down below if you're interested. They have a few different products out there. This was one of the ones, it's a newer one. It's like a server style one they have out there, which is pretty slick. There's also the original one, which is what you saw on the far right that I don't recommend, to be honest with you. But what I was using there, which is more home miner friendly and getting started, is this guy right here. Runs for about $149. And you can actually purchase cell phones directly through Cell Hasher or get your own, whatever you'd like to do. I found a deal on 40 of those used ones. I'll leave a video down below if you guys are interested in like, where did you get these 40 phones? How did this work out? What was the price he paid? Go over and check out that video. That goes more into detail in that. I don't have time in today's video. We have lots more to cover. So that being said, this is the avenue we're going to move forward with regarding onboarding the iPhone, my one iPhone that I do have, and getting it set up and ready to go on Acurast. So if you're following along, make sure you are fully logged in to your Acurast Hub right here, and we'll take it from here. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do, as I said, make sure you're logged into your Acurast Hub, create your account. Once you're there, you're going to click Manage Phones in the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to click Add Phone. Once you click Add Phone, it's going to pop up with this QR code that you guys see. Leave it right here, and let's jump over to our iPhone. All right, so I already have my secondary Android phone onboarded, as you guys can see, and it's hard at work on Acurast. So I'm taking actually my son's phone, because I'm out of phones to go ahead and do videos on. This is an iPhone here. It's an older one, and I think this is an 8, and we're going to go ahead and use this for Acurast today. So first thing we're going to do is open up the App Store. We're going to type in Acurast, and we're going to hit search, and that's Acurast. Once you do that, you're going to come up with an option that says Acurast Processor. Go ahead and download this. Once the download is finished, we're going to hit open. And if there's two ways that you guys can start onboarding. You can click the Get Started option and do everything from the cell phone, or what we're doing today is onboard with Hub, because we just scan one QR code and off we go. So we just got that QR code ready. We're going to do onboard with Hub. It's going to ask for access to our camera. We're going to click OK, and it's ready to go. So go ahead and scan that QR code on the computer screen. All right, so I went ahead and scanned that QR code, and now it says, let's start providing compute. So I'm going to hit OK here. Do I want to allow notifications? Sure, why not? And now it's going to go ahead and onboard this to our account. Now, don't be overly concerned if you see red and not attested. That goes ahead and flips over in just a minute. In here, it has the Cloud Rebellion is assembling. You can go ahead. I actually have a code for that down below. If you guys want to go ahead and enter that, feel free. That goes ahead and just puts a little bit my way as a thank you back to me. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, there's a gear there, and this is where you can come in and make any changes. I'm going to change the screen time out, and we're going to make that, you have different options here, how many seconds. I'm going to make mine 1 minute for now while we go ahead and record today's video. But as you can see, it automatically pulled down my balance. It also has Mist, which is a secondary token that is available on the platform that you can earn. It shows if you have any deployments. Right now I don't, it's inactive, so it's green and ready to go. It gives a compute score for the actual phone to give you an idea as to how well it will perform. And then you want it to be green and attested, which is great. So if you're not using your phone, open this up. Oh, look at that, just got a job. That's awesome. Open this up. Well, it says active, no deployments yet. It's getting there. It has a little heartbeat there. And if you're not using your phone, you're at work and you just have it on a stand like I do here, go ahead and pop up Acurast and let it earn you a little extra cryptocurrency absolutely on the side. And as I was talking about, you can do this with Android and also with iPhone. Both of these are options to do with a phone like these that are both daily drivers out there. Listen, if you guys are interested in more Acurast videos, I'm going to leave a link to 4 different Acurast videos down there that can help you along the way. Go check them out. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.